how to link your Exness account to TradingView so you can seamlessly execute trades directly from the TradingView platform. Open your web browser and navigate to tradingview.com. Now you need to log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you need to sign up. In TradingView, navigate to the bottom left corner and click on Trading Panel. Then click on Broker's account and then select Add Broker. Search for Exness in the broker list and select it. You'll be prompted to enter your Exness account credentials. Enter your Exness account number and password. Ensure you're entering them correctly. After entering your credentials, click on Connect. Then TradingView will attempt to establish a connection with your Exness account. Once the connection is successful, you'll see a confirmation message or a green check mark next to your Exness account in TradingView. And there you have it. Now you can trade directly from TradingView using your Exness account.